Assalamu alaikum children. I am Miss Ghazal. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today we will study Phonic Reader 2 reading book. Now open the page. Open the page number 4. Now let's start the reading. At head, and on, at bed, a head on a bed, a head on a bed, and man with a and fan, a man with a fan, a at bed with a cab, a bed with a cab, a bed with a cab. I hope children you will understand that how can we read this page. You also read this page in the presence of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.